In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared drive folder. Fix Today here. Let's begin. Start by going to the Google Drive website and make sure you're already logged in. Once you're inside your drive, click the new button in the top left corner, then select New Folder from the drop-down menu. Type a name for your new folder, then click Create. After that, double-click the newly created folder to open it. From here, you can start uploading files into the folder if needed. Now, to turn this into a shared folder, simply right-click on the folder. Hover over Share, then click the Share option from the submenu. In the sharing window, type the email address of the person you want to invite into the Add People in Groups field. On the right side, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can set their permission. You can choose editor, commenter, or viewer depending on what level of access you want them to have. If you'd like, you can also type a message in the message box to give them more context. Once everything is set, click the Send button to share the folder. If you want to check how many people have access to your folder, just click the shared icon at the top of the folder. From there, you'll be able to see everyone who has access. You can also manage permissions anytime by adjusting each person's access level directly from that panel. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.